She is very chill. So we're very, very lucky for getting a rescue that's a Chihuahua. She only tries to bite anybody who messes with me.
Yeah.
So
She's
other
like,
than
that's
that,
my mom, okay?
yeah, she doesn't let anybody mess with me.
That's so funny. The only dog I've ever been bitten by was a Chihuahua. I was a salesperson. I was doing storm chasing in Pennsylvania, and there was a lady who I did an inspection on her roof, but I couldn't get I can't remember exactly how the house was set up, but for me to access the roof, it was because I only had a 14-foot extension ladder. So the only way I could get on the roof because her roof line was so high was I had to go inside and go upstairs to her main level,
Oh,
go out the window onto the second level. So I'm
yeah,
like, that's cool. Like, if you just let me go up there, like, I'll go climb out the window and get on the roof.
yeah,
So she had like three or five, I can't remember now because this was a couple years ago, but she had like three or five chihuahuas, like just, they were
yeah.
crazy. And like, I went in and they were all jumping, like being crazy. I'm like, And so she's like, yeah, just don't worry about them. They're fine. They're just kind of yappy. I'm like, okay. So we start walking up the staircase and all of a sudden I just get this like pinch on the back of my calf and I'm like, "Dah!" And she looks and I'm like, he bit me. And she goes, oh my God, are you serious? And I like pull up my pant leg and I had these tiny little pincer like marks in my calf. And she's like, I'm like, don't worry. I'm not like a crazy person. I'm not gonna like sue you or anything, but can you like
You will
put
need
them
to buy a
away?
root.
Yeah. Can you like
You
put
will
your
need to buy.
chihuahua, can you put this dog in the fridge for a second, like while I go upstairs? Oh my
Yeah.
gosh. But yeah, only time.
She